Well, I'm here today at the LACMA Museum, LA Museum Art. I hear it's the one of the largest or the largest museums out in the West Coast, and there are exhibits on so many different cultures. Very excited to come for the first time to LACMA. So you can park right below here, and then here you are at LACMA. So right now we're learning about the fashion of Chinese women across history, and it's so awesome to be learning from the director and curators, and I'm reminded of how textile clothing, even the shape and look of the mannequin, tells a story. And so we're having a chance to learn it from experts as we take a journey back in time. So as we look at the clothing, I mean, there's some that's just so beautiful, so stunning, tells a story so rich, so intricate. And then there's parts of it that's a little tough to look at, like the foot binding that was a part of the culture as well. But it tells a story. And sometimes we look at the painful parts to also remember as well. So you look at the changes in clothing over time, and that also tells a really cool story as well, including ceremonial, kind of celebratory type of clothing as well, also tells a different kind of story. This museum is truly tremendous. I heard that it was designed to be like 3 football fields long, kind of a 1 floor space. Like the walkways are like water, so it's all interconnected. The worlds, we had a chance to move from the Pacific Islands to India to Japan and Korea, so many places. This is a really cool museum, and the architecture is beautiful as well.